Happy anniversary, Daniel Avena Elementary School, 75th year founding anniversary. And we have had 3-day celebration. The first day is the Thanksgiving Day. The second is the Zumba for a Cause, and this one is the Gabi ng Parangal or the Gala Night Dinner for a Cause. And as you can see in our slides, we have had lots of fun and guests and appreciation to all who have been part of this journey of the 75 years accomplishments and milestones of this school. Thank you very much to those who have attended our Gala Night, our Zumba for a Cause, and also the oath taking of the alumni officers. Daniel Avena Elementary School teachers presented this special number. We have chosen this music so that the older alumni can relate and can dance with us also. It's a simple dance where it showcases the old steps and choreography. With Beshi, Dr. Lilibet Dikdikan Dasco, and Sir James Tugade together. Thank you very much, Ma'am Reyna Sultan, for sending the letter to our Governor, Daniel Fernando, and for the financial assistance that our Governor of Bulacan sent for the projects, priority program areas of the school. Kasama po ng aming guro na si Teacher Helen Gugulan, ang mga apo ni Sir Daniel Avena, ang siyang nag-donate ng lupa para nakinatitirikan ng aming paaralan sa ngayon. Maraming salamat po.